In this video, I'm going to teach you how to change Facebook page name in Business Manager. So in order to do that, you first need to head over to business@facebook.com and you should be able to see in here. So this is our Business Manager from Meta. In order to access this, you just need to click on this login with Facebook, or you can also log in with your Instagram account. If you don't have an account and either of them, click on this create new account option. You can also log in using a managed Meta account if that option is available to you and you have it. So let's head over and log in with Facebook. Now here is my actual Meta business suite. You can see right here that my page name is called Cute Puppy 1. So to change this Facebook page name, you can click on this edit Facebook page and then this will load in here this. You can edit the profile picture, cover photo, bio, category, and the like. However, if you want to change the actual name of your page right here, it actually needs a different settings. Head over right here to the settings that you can find on your left hand sidebar. Once you have clicked on that, this will direct you in here onto this page. So what we can do is we can head over and click on the business portfolio. So you should be able to find it right here if you actually search. Under the accounts, you can find pages. So proceed to click on that. And in here we have the cute puppy option. So for this case, let's head over and change this. So for this one, you can find your portfolio name, business ID, as well as current primary page. For this case, let's head over and then edit it right here and then manage it as well. You can proceed to do so by clicking onto the details right here. Now you can just view it on Facebook or you can also change it by page settings directly from there. So that's all there is today and I hope this video helped you out.